Alright guys, now we're going to look at how to create a new Kubernetes cluster. So, we'll talk about what you need in order to set up this cluster. First of all, you need to have a Google account, which I assume most of you already have. If you don't, please go ahead and create a new Google email account first. After creating your email account, you log in to the Google Cloud page. On Google Cloud, look here, you have a Start Free option. From here, you need to click Start Free, log into your account, and complete the process. So, what will you see when you log in here? When you log in, if Google Cloud asks for some parameters to activate, you can just keep clicking Next to proceed. Let me switch over to my own Google Cloud account now. Eventually, you'll end up at the console section like this. You'll see a blank page like this. Now, after the system opens up here, there's something you need to do, and that's this. To use Google Cloud for free and get a $300 3-month trial, you need to enter your card information. You can enter virtual card information here. There's no problem with that. You need to open your account by entering your virtual card information here. But please pay attention to this. Look, after it's opened, you'll see options like Activate or Activate Time Account here. Don't do these, guys. The moment you do this, your credit will be used up. In other words, you'll switch from the free version to the paid version. If you do this, you'll start paying money. That's why you only need to open an account here just for testing. So, when you first open it, they give you an amount close to 10,000 lira that you can use for 90 days. You can easily use this across all Google Cloud services for 3 months. So, what will we do after opening this? Friends, if you manage to open this successfully, you need to click on Cluster under the Kubernetes Engine section here. When I click on Cluster, the cluster appears directly for me. But for you, the cluster won't show up, guys. Alright, the cluster screen won't appear for you. Here, you'll see an Enable button at the top so you can enable it. You enable it and start it up. Enabling it doesn't cost anything, guys. You only pay as you use the Kubernetes cluster. So, you can enable this without any worries. Once you've enabled this as well, your Kubernetes cluster will become active and ready to use. But of course, just opening this or getting it to this state doesn't mean you've created a Kubernetes cluster. It just means your Google Cloud account is open and active. Now, please pay attention to this here. As I said before, if you've already used or opened Google Cloud before, you won't see any free credits here. You won't see any free usage available. So what should we do, sir? You need to create a new Google Mail account. After that, you have to log in to a new Google Cloud account using that new Google Mail account. Otherwise, it won't give you any free usage. Anyway, once this is set up, you'll be ready to create a new Kubernetes cluster. In the next step, I'll show you how to create a Kubernetes cluster, friends.